Hello everyone, you are in Endurance Laser Lab. Today we want to tell you how to install our powerful 5.6 watt laser on Anycubic i3 Mega. We read about it on 3dprinterchat.com. I recommend you to visit this website, really cool and a lot of interesting information. And we installed it here. As you can see, we removed this piece that chills, cools an extruder, two fans. We removed it just to make it easier to install. Extruder is still here. And we connected it to extruder, but we didn't have enough power. That's why we use our additional M01 Endurance PC board that gives an external power from a power adapter. As you can see, this is in a plastic shape. We connect it because it's really easy, but also you can use our metal shape with L connector that goes here. Let me show it here. And then you can install it something like that. We just didn't make it because we wanted to share with you our fresh and great news. We'll definitely use it, and we'll also sell Anycubic i3 Mega combo with the lasers, like it's all assembled and all tested. So as you can see, the touchscreen panel is quite easy. We already had a G-code that we created using Inkscape software and converted it using GT Photonics, or you may use Endurance Lasers plugin. So we select the file and we can start it. So yeah, as you can see, it finds the beginning spot. Will take some time. Yeah, sorry for these wires, we just didn't have time to hide them. And as you can see, it starts the engraving process. It's not a cutting, it's engraving, but it shows us how we can change the speed and the intensity. You see that it's very bright, so don't forget to wear goggles while you do that. And we can change fan speed and intensity. So different parameters that are very easy to do while you do engraving, so you can do it ad hoc. Really nice. It's much better than one how, I think. And as you can see, speed is being changed and it became faster. So I think that it's really nice, and we're really happy to share the information how you can control and how you can run powerful laser on your 3D printer. So you don't hesitate, convert your 3D printer with the powerful lasers into laser engraving machine. Hope that you like this video. Please subscribe on our channel and have a wonderful engraving. Bye bye.